In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to iterate all files in a directory using for loop. So first you're opening the command prompt. Thereafter moving on this desktop, and there let's see the codes. So for loop, then backward slash r, then in, then after a star, and do echo, thereafter %i. Press enter. So I did the mistakes there here for backward slash r, then here we need to write %i, then I in, here a star, do echo. So this is now iterating all the files on this desktop. Every file like csv, bat or txt, this all file, this is iterating there. Okay, so on the C drive, whatever the files there, this all doing the iteration. So here you can see this all files. So standard jet, software dyne, in software, so many files there. So now let's use your CLS. Thereafter here moving on this Jacob directory, and here let's use this command %i. Now you can see all this here, this iterating all the files this places. So for recursively %i, then in all the files, for this one do echo, so it's printing I. So whatever the recursive file that's find there, it's printing there with the help of %i, echo %i. Then here you can see csv, emp, file1, this all csv file there, then er file, msg file, bat file, this all are iterating there with the help of this command. For backward slash r %i, so in a star, that means all the file, do, then this for printing I value. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.